everybody, Namaste my wonderful dost and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a video for all the creative minds and these are 4 ways how I think that you can keep yourself creative and motivated to be creative. So before that, I want to tell you that I have a really huge announcement to share by the end of the video, so please stick around for that. So we'll roll right into it. First tip to stay creative is to value all mundane tasks of your day. Right, now what does that mean? Mundane tasks से मेरा मतलब है that जो हम रोज़मर्रा की चीज़ें करते हैं, जैसे सुबह उठ के तैयार होना, सब्ज़ी काटना, खाना बनाना, ऑफिस जाना. And how that helps is because while you're commuting to office, for an example, you see a lot of people on your way there. Try finding out motivation or inspiration from those mundane tasks. Every day is not going to take you to the Himalayas and give you a jolt of inspiration, but instead you have to keep finding inspiration in the mundane tasks itself. And if you think about it, those are the tasks that give you the maximum amount of inspiration and good ideas also, like looking at one tiny bush during your commute to work and seeing just one flower in the entire green bush can give you an inspiration too. On a rainy day you can get a lot of inspiration for, let's say, if you're a musician, if you're a writer, if you're a painter, if you're anything creative, you will get a lot of inspiration from those mundane tasks. So never let those go and value them. हर रोज़ के अपने हर एक इवेंट में कुछ ना कुछ नया ढूंढो and that comes to you directly. So just harness that and value that jolt of inspiration, make something out of it, create something out of it, because at the end of the day, being a creative mind, all that you are is a creator. Number 2 that I have is all non-creative tasks are extremely important. What do I mean by that is that non-creative tasks like organizing, planning, and analyzing your growth, your potential, everything is extremely important. For example, being a writer, I keep a journal. Now this is my little black notebook that has all of my writing ideas, my story ideas. For medium.com or for any other website, it has my YouTube video ideas in there, and in case I end up getting any Instagram post ideas but I don't have my phone at hand at the time, or if I cannot remember that, or I'm going to sleep but I don't want to look at my phone for another time, so I'll just note it down here and work on it the next day. So you really need to get organizing and looking back at every single thing that you planned for, because if you're not accounting for what you're planning for, you're going to become a huge bundle of ideas and eventually you won't be able to work on anything at all. So yes, you have to do all of the mundane tasks by, let's say, non-creative tasks and boring tasks to stay creative as well. Point number 3 is the most important. You have to keep challenging yourself. Every day I'm meeting people जो कहते हैं मेरे को ये नहीं करना है, मुझे वो नहीं करना है, और जो मैं कर रहा हूँ I'm not finding inspiration in that. That is because they are not challenging themselves and they're restricting their environment too much. So yes, you have to challenge yourself. Everything that you challenge yourself to will make you nervous. For example, yes, I am nervous right now making this video because I have the habit of staying on the other side of the camera. I don't do very well facing the camera at all, but I am learning as I go along, and because it's a sweet spot between something creative is what I like, which is my comfort zone, and something that I am not too comfortable with, which makes me nervous. So it makes it challenging for me and therefore it makes it fun for me. So while you are challenging yourself, you are having a lot of fun. You have to value that a lot. So before I go along for the 4th tip, I think in the beginning of the video I shared that I have a huge announcement, which is for this particular book. I think you've seen this thing a lot of times now if you've been here since the beginning or you are connected with me through Instagram. So the announcement is that on 13th of September we are holding a book launch and an author launch event That's going to be in Mohali, that's near Chandigarh, India. It's in Sylvie Park, Cup and Kitab Cafe in Phase 10, Mohali. Now, there's going to be a lot of chatting for readers, writers, creators, and the entire story behind how the book came along, what comes next, along with coffee and cookies. So all we're doing is mingling up in Mohali, Cup and Kitab on 13th of September, Phase 10 Mohali. Right. So I'll be leaving all the details in the description box below, along with everybody who's making it happen for the book, how the book happened, all that is coming along on YouTube very soon too. And if in case you are someone who cannot travel or who doesn't live nearby to Mohali and you cannot join us at the event, we will be doing it live on Instagram at Jogi Journal. That's my handle, and I will leave it in the description box. So be sure to connect there with me so that you can join us for the live session. I'll be giving updates and reminders as we go along. We're also doing it live on a few media handles. We'll be sharing those once we get closer to the event. So yes, that's my huge announcement. We are launching this book, which has been out already, but there's a lot that's coming next. So yes, huge announcements happen, and I will be sharing all of that with you guys on the 14th of September as well. Just to give you a sneak peek, if you haven't read the book already, this is what it looks like from the inside. It's a collection of verses and one-liners basically, which is enjoying and complementing the entire concept of traveling and living a great life. We move to tip number 4, which is the last one to keep yourself creative, and that is to be ferocious and fearless. Now, for example, I get very nervous, as I already told you, while being in front of the camera. But what I haven't told you is that I was very nervous while launching the book. Now, in my life, I have been writing for the last 14 years. I have been a writer for the last 14 years, out of which I have been writing professionally for 6. But I still got nervous when I launched this thing. All you have to do is be fearless and remember that the people who are making you fearful by themselves are doing something entirely different. This is your life. You make your own life happen. So don't let anyone else or anything else bring you down at all. Be ferocious about whatever you do. Be passionate about whatever you do, because unless you are passionate about it, no one who views your work is going to be passionate about it. If the point is, yes, be ferocious, be fearless in whatever you do. That wraps it up. I hope that I will see you for the event on 13th of September. That's a Sunday. We're doing it at 12:30 p.m. So please, I really request you, and I'd love to have you there. It's an open event for everybody who likes to talk, likes to have coffee or anything else and mingle up with people. So it's gonna be great fun. We're also launching the book trailer on the same day. You guys will be able to view it on 14th of September, but for the people who are going to join us, can watch it on 13th of September on the huge screen with us right there. So I hope that I'll see you there. If not, you can join us virtually through a live session also, and the entire event will go live on YouTube the very same night. So thank you for watching. I hope that it helps. If there's anything that you'd like to watch about being a creative person or writing tips particularly, you can drop your questions in the comments below, or your suggestions or your thoughts, everything in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys, and yes, I respond to every single person well in time, but yeah, I do get in touch with every single person. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.